The smell is very horrible. Way down there where that water's shooting up, that's where me and Becky lived. That's where Becky died in that house. And that's the slab right down there at the very dead end. And then there's where some of my neighbors died along them slabs along there. The water's still pouring out. They finally got the gas shut off. All that's gone. There's Becky and Harold's car, and you see the wheels of Harold's pickup truck. The corner house here is gone, and that's the top of the house that Becky and Harold rode out on the rest of the storm. And I knew the old man. I can't remember his name. I don't even know if he was there or not. He might be dead and gone. But see, you can see the beach all the way from here. Corner of southeastern Kirkor. And Becky's first house blew out the side. He came out pretty good though. He got water in, I'm sure, Mr. Bill's house. He come out real good, except when he blew his brains out in it. Probably ain't good shots, but this is the corner of Kirkor and Cowan Road. Storm debris line stinks bad, stinks. Yeah, that's County Road and Highway 90 in the beach. By the time USA's wiped out, Mary Mansion didn't hold up. I don't think they'd hold up neither. That's the end of the tour. Goodbye. Yeah, I see where I left off yesterday. There was a pecan limb and that oak limb up on the house. Now, I came and brought the dogs, opened the house up, messed around a few minutes and went and enrolled Mama for the blue roof. I come home, mess around with neighbors, and I come out here just a little while ago, and that limb, I don't know if somebody came over while I was gone or what, but that limb that was hanging up there is down now. If it fell by itself or somebody rolled it off. But it broke the water pipe. Now I had all them blocks stacked up around there. I was going to try to bridge it. See, they're chipped up where it hit it. And I was going to try to find a way to protect the window. Well, the window ain't broke, thank God, but now the water is.